The Ton Chong Fa waterfall is a waterfall along the Bang Niang River near Khao Lak in Thailand. It is part of the same national park as the small sandy beach. With one entrance ticket, you can combine two nice little walks with opportunities to swim in the river and at the beach. So, within the entrance ticket to the sandy beach, the entrance to the waterfall is also included. So, after a nice day at the beach, you can also stop by to do a little swim in the waterfall. Given that it's about to rain and most likely have lightning storm, we're not going to swim, but we're at least going to explore the waterfall. Given it's dry season, the stream next to us is more of a gentle trickle, so I don't expect the waterfall to be anything spectacular during the dry season. But yeah, we still will check it out, see how it goes. Right at the first pool, you can already find something that makes this trail unique. Within the Ton pool, you can hold your feet into the water to have the spa fish nibble on them. I find that highly uncomfortable, but it cleans the dead skin off your feet. The initial part of the trail is along a broad road, but the upper segments are a bit more adventurous. Here you will be following a narrower mud path with a few steeper sections and will have to cross over a few narrow bridges as well. Overall, however, we didn't consider the path dangerous in any way. The whole distance to the fourth step of the waterfall is not much more than a kilometer, but in the Thai heat and with a constant uphill, you should still bring enough water. During the dry season, the waterfall is just an easy walk to fill half a day, and most likely not a must-see during your vacation. We still thank you for visiting the falls with us and hope to see you on the next hike. If you will be here for it, show your support with a like.